Hello everyone. In this quick video, we would learn how to get started with Python. First, we would learn how to install platform for Python codes to run in our system. First, you would open your browser, Chrome or Internet Explorer. Here I'm opening Chrome. In the Google, you would type Anaconda Python. Once you type it, the first link that appears is for Anaconda distribution. You click on this. It would open this platform which would ask you to either submit your email to get a free download, or you can skip the registration and it would directly take you to this window. In this, based on your operating system, you can download the distribution installer. If you have Windows, you can choose Windows, otherwise Mac. For Windows, since I am working on Windows 11, I'm going to use this link. I'm going to click this and it will start the download. Since this is a big file, it's going to take some time. So this Anaconda distribution installer helps us to access few platforms which helps us to run Python codes, which is your Spyder, your Jupyter Notebook. You can access both of these platforms through the same distribution. Once I click on the exe downloaded, this will open up. So we'll click on next. You will read the instructions through, and if you agree with the conditions, you will choose the option I agree. Then since we want to do coding, I would recommend you to use all users requires admin privileges. Then we click next. So it is asking if I want to allow this to do changes in my device. So I would say yes. So it has given destination folder where it will save the Python. If you want to do changes to that, you can use that, but I'm going to use the same default. Install. If you want to check what is being installed, you can check on the show details. So once it is completed, it will give you a completion status. It is still installing. Once the installation is complete, you can see the completed status on this pop-up bar. Once it is done, we can click next. Everything you love about okay. No setup. If you need any Anaconda navigation steps, if you want to learn how to get started with this, you can click on either of them. Otherwise, once the installation is complete, you can open the platform Spyder and Jupyter Notebook through your start button. You can simply type Spyder and click on it, and it will open the platform. Similarly, we would have Jupyter Notebook. You can type Jupyter Notebook and these would open. And now first we have Spyder. So this is the platform that we use for Spyder and Python coding. You write your script like print hello world and play, run, and it displays you the output, which is hello world on the right hand console side. So this is just a start for the Python. In the next video, we would learn the Python codes on both these platforms. Thank you.